example, at the Institute of Noetic Sciences in Petaluma, they made this, Dean Radin made these recognition experiments that the body feels for some reason what is happening in the future. It does not work all the time, but I don't know if you know these experiments. They,
Yes.
yeah, yeah, they are fascinating. I did this myself, and the body knows for some reason what pictures are coming randomly, are selected randomly by the computer, and it works. It's completely strange. There's no explanation, because how should the body know if not even the computer knows it, what picture is coming? But
Yeah, that puts into question our whole concept of space and time, even, not
exactly.
just how the human body works.
And that's, of course, frightening, because whenever a belief system is questions, the fundamentalists are getting very angry, and
Mm.
there are not a there are not a lot of people who do that. It's a very small amount, but they fit into this ruling paradigm of this ruling religion in our Western society, and they can shout very loud. And all people who have different experiences, who were healed, or who said, "Oh, I know that you just will call." Then these guys say, "Okay, this is just selective reception, or at the 99% when it does not work, you will not recognize it," and so on. But scientific research shows that there is truth in this, and there are authentic phenomena. So my film is also a call for science, or support for scientists who deal with this topic, and it's also a motivation for people to say, okay, believe in your own experience. Don't make your own experience small just because science tells you that this does not exist and this is an illusion.
Yeah,
You know, if you experience this, if this is your experience, that's the only thing that counts.
yeah,
And that's the same with Breatharianism. You know, there were a lot of people coming to me when I toured with the film, and they said, "I'm so happy about your film, because I did not eat for 9 months or anything like that, and you know, I have so big problems speaking to people, because the first thing that's coming up is you are a liar, and why why are you telling lies, and this is all wrong, and what are you telling?"
yeah.
So
But it's also a support for people who have maybe these psychic experiences, or faith healing, or spontaneous healing experiences, and so on. So maybe we're not interested in the food aspect, but shouldn't we all be interested in this aspect of how the physical and the non-physical dimension of life interact, you know?
absolutely. And you know, when you think about healing, for example, when scientists say, "Okay, that's placebo, that's just placebo," then I say, "Okay, what is placebo? It's actually the proof that my mind can heal me." You know,
Yes.
I do some ritual, and I'm healed. And in many scientific medical studies, the placebo effect is big. And instead of saying, "Okay, wow, that's a good thing, it costs nothing, and people are healed," they say, "Okay, that's not good, that's the placebo effect, and it's just good if you can sell drugs." But that's just this paradigm of money and profit, and that's another point, that
Yeah.
our science and our whole economic system is captured by profit and finance and all that stuff.
The good news is we're in this moment right now that a lot of us, it's not even like a small cult level of a subculture of society, but most people in society are at a point where they've realized, wow, the conventional science, the conventional medicine is showing us it has limitations. So many people are tired of taking one drug after another, and surgeries, and it doesn't actually solve their problems. So many people are tired of how the food system and our medical system and our political system and financial systems are breaking down and not supporting the thriving of humanity. So so it's beautiful that all the beings like you, like the scientists who've put in many years of hard work and make no money from it, just because of this fire that we have inside, this curiosity for the truth. Now is a moment when many people are looking for this kind of truth again.
Absolutely. And these scientists who do this research, they are my big heroes because they have such a hard time.
Yeah.
And but it's so important to get these two sides together, because science isn't bad. It's just bad if you use it for the wrong stuff, and it has to be reunited with all this wisdom that we forgot, or at least in our Western societies we forgot.
Yeah. Yeah. It's beautiful to use the science, which is like a way of measuring the external world, to point us back into our internal world.
Yeah.
To know that, to verify that, wow, I was right all along. This intuitive experience that I have, there is power there. So it's nice that we're coming full circle. We go into the extreme of the materialistic world and allow that extreme to bounce us back into
Exactly. Yeah.
what we knew
Yes.
all along.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm very optimistic.